My wonderful family. I live in a house near the mountains. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister, and I was born last. My father teaches mathematics, and my mother is a nurse at a big hospital. My brothers are very smart and work hard in school. My sister is a nervous girl, but she is very kind. My grandmother also lives with us. She came from Italy when I was 2 years old. She has grown old, but she is still very strong. She cooks the best food. My family is very important to me. We do lots of things together. My brothers and I like to go on long walks in the mountains. My sister likes to cook with my grandmother. On the weekends, we all play board games together. We laugh and always have a good time. I love my family very much. Please answer the following questions. Question 1. My mother is A. Doctor. B. Nurse. C. Writer. D. Waitress. Question 2. My house is near the A. City. B. Monastery. C. Mountains. D. Italy. Question 3. How old was I when my grandmother came? A. 3 years old. B. Just born. C. 10 years old. D. 2 years old. Question 4. On the weekends, we A. Play board games together. B. Go to a movie. C. Clean the house. D. Cook pasta. Question 5. My sister is kind, but also A. Mean. B. Quiet. C. Nervous. D. Strong.